Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be testing out a new eyeshadow palette from Milani. It is the Getaway palette. So if you want to see how this performs, then just keep watching. So like I said, this is from Milani. It's called the Gilded Getaway eyeshadow palette. Retails for $19.99. I got it on Ulta's website. It literally just looks like an old van from the 70s or whenever. It does have a mirror. It's very tiny, but then this is the palette itself. I'm interested, or curious more, I should say, as to why they launched this now. Because to me, this screams fall winter. Besides these shades, the whole section screams fall winter to me. So it's a little weird, in my opinion, of the timing, but we're going to instead try to do a summer look and use these shades instead because that's when this came out, spring, summer. So let's just try this. Currently on my eyes, I do have from e.l.f. and Jen Atkins because I'm actually filming a review. That's why you see me in the same outfit. Of the e.l.f. and Jen Atkins collection. So I do have this shade all over my lid, but it's practically my skin tone. But I figured I should mention it anyways. So let's go ahead and get into this. I think I'm just gonna go straight for it and hit, what is it called? Campfire. Oh, I just dug my nail. Campfire, which is that shade right there. I'm like definitely not interested in wearing these kind of shades today, but I need to film. And the only time I have to film is today. But I also have stuff to do after this. Like, I want to try as many shades as possible for you guys, but like, it's all winter. Like, I would never touch these shadows this time of year. Or should I do that instead? Okay. Oh, that feels nice. Wow, that's pretty. Ooh. These shimmers are nice. Look at that. That's just the 3 lightest shades. Okay. I think I'm just gonna do like an all copper lip today. That's my goal. What in the hell I'm gonna wear? No idea, because it's not gonna match this shirt, but whatever. All right, so let's go in with that Campfire shade. We're just gonna start that on our crease as the beginning transition shade. And I think I'm gonna try to keep it light. Oof. Okay, so far it's not coming off as like intensely pink red as it is in the pan, which I prefer that it would be not as intense. And I think I just spoke too soon. Never mind. Spoke too soon. I can't say that I've ever tried Milani shadows. I don't think I have. Oh, I gotta hurry. I'm sweating ball sacks. Like, do you mind if I turn the air on? It might be a low hum, but I'm like, I can't do this. I'm so hot. So, sorry if there's all of a sudden a hum. I just can't. I'm dying. So there seems to be a lot of fallout in the palette, but I don't see any on my face, which is good. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put the lid shade on and then deepen after. I might regret this. Am I sure I wanna do that one or do I wanna do this one? No, let's do the copper. Okay, we're gonna go in with Kindle, which is the Shimmer Copper shade. There we go, that one. There's the color. I'm just gonna use a flat brush, I think. If it doesn't work, I'll use my hand, but let's try the flat brush first. I'm just gonna put that all over the lid. I'm sure I could get it more intense with my finger, but I kind of like this, especially since we're still doing a day look. A smoldering day look. Next, to deepen the crease, I'm gonna go in with Oasis, which is kind of like a brick reddish color, just to deepen this up. Put that in the inner corner and the crease, but more focused versus the Campfire shade. Wow, this one is definitely coming off. Okay, this is pulling so much red. I think I'm gonna take a little bit of the S'mores Fun, geez, which is the brown. I'm just gonna dip basically back and forth between the two too deep in the crease. Let's go to the lower lash line, which I think I'm just gonna take a combination of the Oasis and S'mores Fun for the lower lash line and just mix the two. Anyone else have one eye that just constantly waters? Oh, it's this one. Okay, do we have a highlighter? We do not. So I'm gonna use, I wanna use a gold highlighter, but like this one's too gold to do an inner corner. So I think I'm just gonna use the highlighter that I have. Let's try a little bit of this Amrezy and see if that'll work. Cause like I want it to be gold, but I don't want it to be like true gold. Because I have to, I'm gonna use a little bit of my MAC Nylon. Focus on me. You're a douche. Thank you. Use a little bit of MAC Nylon just to brighten it up a little bit more. Sometimes I feel like I'm just too pale to pull off too yellow gold. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my makeup and then we'll come back and we'll talk about my thoughts on the palette. Okay, so my makeup is now finished. If you wanna know what I used, again, like I said, I was testing out that e.l.f. and Jen Atkins collection. So eyeliner is from that collection. And then lips is also from that collection in the shade Self-Made Pink. And then mascara is again the Dior Iconic Overcurl. So as far as this palette goes, I think the quality is great. Like, this is the first time I've ever tried Milani, so I don't know if it's on par with their other shadows, but at least based off of this, I think the shadows are really nice. They blended really nicely. They're very pigmented. Again, timing of this collection seems weird to me because these colors to me scream winter fall, but at the same time, might as well pick it up now. It's affordable, and then you have it for when it's winter fall time. But again, you can make a coppery look, which can be summer, but this is more like date night, something summer. But anyways, I do think the palette is really nice. So timing is wrong, in my opinion. I wonder if they're based in a country that's opposite seasons. But anyways, I think this is a really great palette, and I definitely think you should pick it up, even if it's now to use later, because I really think the shadows are great. But yeah, that is all I have for this video, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.